Youth and women, they form the essence of Goa in this country, both. Three things stand out. Bharatiya Janata Party has converted demographic dividend into a demographic disaster. Instead of giving 14 crore jobs in 7 years, data now shows, and Oxfam report has now established, that 12 crore 20 lakh people lost their jobs and livelihoods in last 2 years. Just on the eve of elections, once again Prime Minister Modi in the budget, which we saw the other day, promised 60 lakh jobs in 5 years. How? When? This is one more jumla. That means the earlier jumla turned out to be fake, so one more fakery is being dished out. Pramod Sawant is no less. He is also now promising 10,000 jobs. May I ask what happened to the promise of 50,000 jobs in the last manifesto of the Bharatiya Janata Party? The result is zero. So 0 plus 0 is equivalent to 0. Two people dishing out fakery are promising jobs which are non-existent. Shocking data has now come out in public domain, post answers in both Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and based on information collated from everywhere. And I'd like to just show you that chart. BJP's DNA is anti-youth and anti-women. Vote out unemployment, vote out BJP. Vote out anti-women mindset, vote out BJP. That is actually the motto.
भाजपा सरकाराच्या कार्यकाळात बायलांचेर जावपी गुन्यांव दोबरात जाले असो आरोप काँग्रेसीन केला. भाजपा सरकारांतले फुडारी बायलांक रेस्पेत दिनात असो आरोपूय काँग्रेसीन केला. मोदी सरकारांत बायलांचेर घडपी गुन्यांव वाडल्याचे भाजप सरकारान दिल्ल्या अहवालाचे आसा असो दावो काँग्रेसीन केला. जे गुन्यांव घडटात पूण नोंद जायनात ते 3 पटीन मायज आसतात असो दावोय काँग्रेस करता.
Crimes against women in India are now at its peak. In last 75 years, highest crimes are happening against women. I am not saying so. It's the National Crimes Record Bureau report of Narendra Modi government that I am going to quote. The alarming rate is that now the yearly crime against women are touching registered crime. Unregistered I am ignoring, because unregistered we know are 2 times more. Registered crime against women are 3,71,503 yearly. So every day in India 1,018 crimes take place against women. 1,018 crimes are taking place against women in this country. Are our daughters, our wives, our family members, our friends safe? Every hour, every day in this, 42 crimes. Sorry, every hour 42 crimes are happening. Every hour. We've been sitting here for an hour, 42 women would have in an hour suffered persecution, rape, molestation, kidnapping. And the criminals are running free like Sengar BJP MLA. We all know, we read about it. In fact, the data itself is shocking, and I'm sending you a chart comparing between 2013 and 2020. And this is what, because NCRB doesn't release 2022 data or 21 data. And this is Congress, this is BJP. There is between the 22 to 33% increase in crime against women.